Let's go.
Hey guys, so today's video I'm going to be filming a little vlog. I am so excited for this video. So it is 3:44 right now and we actually have plans to go to this super cool drive-through light show and I'm so excited for that. So I'm just going to finish up getting ready and I'm also going to see what snacks we could bring. Also, when we get home, I really want to make some apple pastries. I made them the other day and they were literally so good. So I definitely want to make those either today or tomorrow, but we'll see. Alright, so we are about to leave and I am so excited. So let's go!
You've been on my mind lately, I tell you all the time, baby, that you make me feel fine when you got your hands in mine. You've been on my mind lately, I tell you all the time, baby, that you make me feel fine when you got your hands in mine. Just let me show you everywhere I've been. Travel the world, still I miss my friends. And seasons turn, go home again.
Hey guys, so we just got back and now we're going to eat some dinner and then I'm going to make the apple pastries. I can't wait. I'm so excited.
We met on a summer day in June. Said you were headed on your way to Malibu. You'd never been, but you always wanted to. You moved out from the East Coast, California snow. You couldn't handle all the winter and the snow. So there's a lot of things you're trying to do. If you play your cards right, I might be a tour guide in a city. I might be, we might be riding around on a Segway. I can be a tour guide. I can be a tour guide. I can be a tour guide. Show you around. You know I can be a tour guide. I can show you around. There's like 100 towns in the city, so it might take a while.